Today's recipe takes us back to the good old days, but it's still a favorite in the kitchen. Howard shows us how to make weeknight Salisbury steak in the Mr. Food Test kitchen.
Way before anyone heard of the South Beach and paleo diets, Dr. James Salisbury was touting a diet that was high in protein. One of the dishes that he not only made at home, but also made famous was Salisbury steak. Since it took place in the late 1800s, it proves that everything old sooner or later becomes new again. So let me share with you a simple weeknight version of Dr. Salisbury's creation that I know you're gonna love. All we do is combine some ground chuck with a chopped onion, a good amount of breadcrumbs, an egg, and a few off-the-shelf spices. After we gently mix that, we shape it into oval patties and place them in a baking dish. Now, to give these their rich flavor, we smother them with some beef gravy that we combine with some sliced mushrooms. About 45 minutes before it's time to eat, pop these in the oven, and by the time you open your mail and heat up some mashed potatoes, dinner is done. One forkful, and it's no wonder why these are still popular after all these years. It's comfort at its best. So, to salute the late Dr. Salisbury and to keep your taste buds happy, why don't you go online and get the recipe for our weeknight Salisbury steak so you can enjoy a goof-proof dinner any night of the week. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old-fashioned, trendy way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."